Hi guys, it's Debbie from What's Mama Cooking For Us, and today we're cooking a big Italian dinner, and I got a big pot of sauce. I got a big stuffed mushroom in there, if you guys can see that. Stuffed pepper, I keep calling them stuffed mushrooms, and a bunch of meatballs in there. And then we got our pasta boiling. We're having spaghetti. You see that? It's almost ready. We got some meat sauce over here that looks really good. Got garlic, peppers, onions. And let me show you what else. And then we got the stuffed peppers over here and some stuffed mushrooms. And the big stuffed peppers we cooked in the oven, and we did some in the sauce. And some nice fresh Italian bread. And wish you guys could be here to join us, but I just wanted to share with you. Thanks, guys. See you on the next one. Here's the plate. We got it all ready. We got our spaghetti, our meat sauce, some Parm cheese, our nice Italian bread, a stuffed mushroom, a stuffed pepper, a meatball. And doesn't that look delicious, you guys? Look at that. OMG. All right, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Click the like button if you like this, and I'll see you on the next one. Be blessed. Okay, guys, let's go in and have a bite. I ended that video, but I figured we better go in for a bite. Gotta do it. Let me let you know how it is. It's good. It's delicious. All right, I'll see you guys.